Are Afrofuturism and the guiding principles of peace and unity a religion? The guiding principles of peace and unity is the foundation of Afrofuturism. It is not a religion. It is an ethical and moral framework designed to empower individuals, families, and communities. Rooted in the premise of do good, do no harm, this framework offers 11 affirmations or laws to inspire positive and productive social organization.
I meditate to relax in all situations. I am peace. I bring and keep together the families and communities who live in peace and unity with others. I am unity. I learn how to learn. I am knowledge. I create for myself, my family, and my community. I am power. I obey the laws of my family and community that are in harmony with peace and unity. I am law. I do no harm to my family, other families, or my community. I am protection. I choose the feelings, thoughts, and actions that are in harmony with the principles of peace and unity. I am control. I have fun and work with my family and my community. I am cooperation and harmony. I am careful about what I believe. I accept ideas and beliefs that are in harmony with these guiding principles. I am correct ideas and beliefs. With all my heart, I take care of my family, other families, and communities that are living according to the principles of peace and unity. I am devotion. I keep a clean body. I have clean habits. I eat healthy food. I exercise. I care for my environment and planet. I abuse no substance or drug. I am strength.
These affirmations are more than just words. They are tools to help you align your feelings, thoughts, and actions in ways that foster self-love, harmony, and growth. Whether you're seeking to guide your personal journey, repair or strengthen family bonds, or build a thriving community, the laws of Afrofuturism provide a roadmap for transformation. You can be any religion and live according to the guiding principles of peace and unity. You can believe in no religion and live according to the guiding principles of peace and unity, because they are moral laws. This framework forms the heart of Afrofuturism, a culture that celebrates our collective power to heal, create, and lead with purpose. It's about imagining and building a future where Black communities thrive, grounded in principles of peace, unity, and self-empowerment. Afrofuturism, a new Black culture, at thegppu.org.